Now, let's dive into some history. Cheetahs have been around for millions of years, with their ancestors dating back to the late Miocene epoch. They once roamed across much of the globe, but today, their range is limited primarily to parts of Africa and a small population in Iran. One of the most interesting facts about cheetahs is their social structure. Unlike most big cats, which are solitary, cheetahs are known for their unique social behavior. Males often form small groups called coalitions, usually consisting of brothers. This teamwork helps them defend their territory and increase their chances of mating.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the next part of the video because you won't want to miss it. Like, comment, and subscribe so you stay updated. See you in the next one.